let's go through my watch list right now and understand which markets could move for the next week. Right now it's 29th June. It's Sunday, so let's understand which markets could really move and take notes so you can also follow the same moves that I do, and obviously join our Discord server where you will be able to talk with us, with me, with everyone, and share your ideas, etc. So let's get into it. Let's start with basically Amazon and few stocks. But as you all know from the last week's videos, I'm still in this Amazon trade. I will try to trail it to all-time highs because I see really good potential in Amazon. Overall, it's very well-run company. It's always exceeds their earnings, their targets, etc. And yeah, it's a very well-run company, and it has so much upside potential to all-time highs. Yeah, we have 8% we can expect at least, and it would be 15R if it pushes all-time highs for me. I already took out the partial, so yeah, on this specific stock on Amazon, there's nothing really to do. I will just try to trail it. If it pushes up, then I will place my trailing stop here, or maybe it pushes more, then etc. We'll see what it does. No need to speculate right now because it can easily do this and stop me out on a break even. But yeah, we already made money. So the next, let's say Bank of America, it's kind of good. It's starting to create the daily. I already created the daily MB. All I want to see is some kind of a pause. I would say, yeah, MB1, MB2. So if it pauses and creates double MBs right here, then I will take it. Otherwise, I want to see a flush and new entries like this, or it can easily keep pushing and I will not get any entries. So whatever it does, I want to see bullishness on Bank of America. Oh, sorry, this is Boeing. Sorry, yeah, that's Boeing. That's not Bank of America. But yeah, then Tesla, I'm somewhat bullish. I just want to see that strength to come into the market. At the moment, nothing. We'll see how it opens really in Monday. But I'm also bullish if it starts to show strength. If it keeps pushing down, then there's nothing to do, obviously. But yeah, Coinbase as well. I would call this as a flush. Let's see daily chart. Actually, I want to see something deeper, or if it starts to create these double MBs, then I will probably take it. But I would prefer if it drops deeper and then creates the same setup. But yeah, Coinbase as well is very good asset. Then Meta, it's in motion from these MBs, MB1, MB2 from here. So there's nothing I can do about it. The expectation is that it will just keep pushing until it fails. But yeah, I want to see the flush or failure of the trend and starts the same thing. So yeah, it could look like just a pause on daily time frame on EMAs, and inside there we have the double MBs. So yeah, expecting bullishness, but I don't know, if it keeps pushing, then there's nothing really to do. We just look for other assets. Nvidia as well, the same story. MB1, MB2, and in motion, nothing to do. But overall expectation the same as Meta. So yeah, that's really it about stocks. Then let's look at Bitcoin. It's now pushing pretty heavily, and I will maybe take a trade today if it right now pauses somewhere here and take it like this. That's a potential trade because it chopped right here, started to build something yesterday, and I didn't take anything, and then now I would call all this as a 1 MB or one big ass chop, and yeah, now built already the first MB, so I want to see pause and go. That's what I want to see. Overall, the expectations are all-time highs. It's very at the moment it shows strength. At these points when it dropped down, then yeah, I saw weakness, but I didn't take any sells. I was just waiting for this to be for market to show me strength, because on weekly also we see strength, pause above the EMAs, and now probably making that momentum MB to push higher to whatever the price it wants to push through. Yeah, so expectations, bullishness, and then yeah, just will look for buys. Even today, if it gives me anything. Obviously, if it pushes to fucking here today without any kind of pullbacks, then I will not take some kind of MB like this. I will just wait for deeper pullbacks and then new entries. But yeah, then looking at DAX, this was the trade that basically I closed this trade and we were at 100k balance. We completed the challenge with this trade, the 10k to 100k challenge. But yeah. The same. The expectation just to keep pushing. Right now in a motion from the same MBs where I took the trade, so I want to see a failure and then entries, but it doesn't mean that it needs to do this. It can easily, it's in motion, it can easily just keep pushing to the all-time highs. But overall the expectation is the bullishness. That's what I am expecting from the market. Then copper. I wanted to take this trade on Friday, but it didn't made it to the entry. So yeah, still, if market opens somewhere here, then I will take this trade. We'll see what it does over the night. But yeah, expectations, bullishness, it looks very beautiful. It broke out of this chop, whatever it was, respecting the EMAs, created MB, and in here there was a beautiful entry. But yeah, still expecting this to target the all-time highs. I think those are all-time highs. Am I right? Yeah, those are all-time highs. So expecting bullishness. So yeah, copper is good. Japanese index also very fucking good. I will remove these. Yeah, my Japanese index also very fucking beautiful. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Yeah, but it's in motion. As you remember, I had this trade right here. It gave me a partial. Right here I took out a partial, then it stopped me out on a break even, and now it's fucking flying. But it is what it is. And now, again, the same thing. I just want to see a flush. This, right now, is extended for me. It's in motion from these and Bs. It can keep on pushing. It can fail down. I want to see failure and then new entries and do the same thing as in here. So, yeah. But first of all, I want to see a flush. Then US 30, the same story as Japanese index. MB1, MB2, we actually took a trade right here, as you remember. Right here. And yeah, now it just keeps pushing, nothing to do. And yeah, again, the same story, this or it just keeps pushing. Yeah, US 500 actually made a good enough flush, pretty good flush, and all I want to see is double MBs, so this and this. So US 500 actually is pretty good. Yeah, it is good because it made the flush. Obviously, if it doesn't make those MBs like this, then probably there will not be trade, and if it does this, then there's nothing to do. I will not take any trade. But if it creates this, then I will take a trade. So yeah. Then Nasdaq, the same as US 500. Obviously, I will not take both of them, but potentially they both are good. Then let's look at European indices. So European indices actually starts to look good. They have good fucking potential to the upside. We have these all-time highs for Euro 50. We start to build MB1, MB2. EMAs will start to switch. So inside here we could look for double MBs on 1 hour time frame. So yeah, Euro 50 looks good, but again, if you go to entry time frame, we are too extended because we have MB1, MB2, and we are in motion. So all I want to see is flush new entries, or let's say it does something like this. But double MBs I want to see. At the moment, there's nothing really to do. It's just too extended. It can easily keep pushing and then later on set up new entries. So yeah, not at the moment. I want to see that flush. The same thing probably goes for French index, but it's still a little bit too early to look for entries on this one. I want to see really, if you compare, yeah, it kind of looks the same actually. Yeah. Yeah, it could be a potential trade. It actually made the MB really good, and yeah, but again, it's in motion from MB1, MB2. So the only expectation is that it will keep pushing, but if not, then let it create another MBs and we will take it higher. Italy is still too early actually. Actually no, Italy as well is pretty fucking good. Yeah, but again the same story probably. Yeah, we have MB1, MB2 now in the third MB. So want to see either flush or double MBs inside this MB. So yeah, overall it looks fucking fantastic, but yeah, Italy is really good right now. I will mark them B's so I remember them. But Italy is pretty fucking good. Yeah, so then US oil is doing really nothing. Failing, nothing to do. Yeah. I don't even know what I want to expect from this market. Like if you go, yeah, actually I want to expect bearishness. Because if you're looking like this from these last price action, yeah, some would say that we are in motion from these highs or lows or whatever, but I would say this was a flush, MB1, MB2, yeah, I would say MB1, MB2 on weekly, oh no, this is monthly, okay, weekly, so yeah, monthly is double MBs to the downside, so that's bearish, and weekly, what do we see? Let's invert the chart. Yeah, on weekly we are fucking ugly. It's ugly market action. We were bearish, like MB1, MB2, MB3, failed, flushed, so probably do something like this. On daily, we made the MB to the downside. So yeah, actually I would expect bearishness, but it's too choppy. Gold looks like it will finally start its pullback, the big ass pullback that it should do for. I think gold will be bad market for some good some like, I don't know, a year or two. Like we had such a crazy move. So it's just normal if market wants to pull back and later on starts to do the same thing again. So yeah, I think gold will be bearish for some time, but still it's a little bit too early to look for entries, bearish entries on gold for me at least. On daily, yeah, we have double MBs, I would say MB1, MB2, but on weekly still not enough. 2-day, yeah, I'll just skip this market. Yeah, as you know, we have had fucking good, beautiful entries on gold for the last year. All these were fucking beautiful. Full take profits, partials, full take profits, partials, full take profits, but break evens, some losses, some partials. Yeah, gold has been very fucking good. Like, all this was such a good money. And even before this run, even before this, when it started to push, even in here, I had deleted all those entries in 2024, but all this was also crazy runs. So yeah, gold is phenomenal asset when it trends. But right now we will focus probably on all of the indices. And yeah, then Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum. What do we have on Ethereum? Yeah, it's still a little bit early. I would say I want to see this MB to be validated on daily time frame. Then it pauses, do whatever it wants to do, create those MBs, and we take those MBs on 1 hour time frame to here, and then probably all-time highs, etc. But it kind of looks good. Yeah, it may be pushed below the EMAs, but still it's respecting them on weekly time frame. Like respecting in the meaning it still pushes back up, and if it continues to push, let's say it creates this daily MB, then it will be somewhere here on weekly. It will be above the EMAs, and yeah, we'll just wait for pause, and inside that pause we have double MBs on 1 hour time frame, and yeah, we take an entry. So yeah, but at the moment for the next week it's too early. So yeah, basically this. Oh goddamn! Look at the Bitcoin. It's so fucking beautiful. The daily MB is just beautiful momentum MB. I hope it will give me an entry today, because it has such a fucking good. This is the all-time high. Yeah, this is all-time high, so it has good potential to run. Keep running. So yeah, gold right now looks Bitcoin looks fucking just beautiful. Yeah, then DAX is also beautiful fucking MB. Look at this MB. God damn. Yeah. So that's really it for now. Yeah, hopefully this bitch ass fucking Bitcoin gives us an entry, but it doesn't look like it. It will fucking push and push and push. But yeah, it is what it is. We will still have, again, we have such a beautiful runs to the all-time highs and beyond that, so we'll have good entries on it. Anyways, so yeah, with that being said, that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.